local, percentage local, calls input, and it.
कंपनी आता आपण बोलतो बनाने के सकते कंपनी से टाइम नहीं बोल सकते बना तो कंपनी वाले का नंबर देते
percentage net, percentage global, percentage local, cost input into can you tell me the syntax how to create a macro variable in data set?
Percentage let variable name is equal to variable value semicolon.
The macro variable should be in parenthesis or how it should be the macro variable?
In parenthesis, sir.
You will a character value, the value must be in parenthesis, if it is a numerical value, it can be without how to create macro variable in process here?
Basic into columns.
Well, what is syntax?
Topic SQL. Then basic select query. So we can assert the value into the asserted macro variable.
No. I want to create a macro variable in process here. So whenever we want to create a macro variable in process, we should write the from SQL. Now select what is the value that you want to have. I want to have females to total weight. Now I'm going to specify select the sum of open the parenthesis weight variable. Now we should write into column the macro variable name. I want to have f total. I'm getting f total from which data set now from success dot slash. But I want to have only females total. What is the condition I should write now?
Where x is equal to f.
Now, if I execute the program, I'm going to get the macro variable at the same time. Since I'm getting the select statement, I'm going to get the printed output window. So now we execute the program, we get the printed output window. And at the same time, the information also will be saved in a variable. So if you want to see the variable, what the statement you should write down, you should write the percentage, put the ampersand to the macro variable name, and the macro variable name is f total. I'm writing the f total. Okay, now if I execute the program, the value if we have a macro variable, and the value will be printed in the log window, which we are getting 811. Now, I want to create a macro variable in that. I want to have all the names of SAS self class. In the SAS self data set, we have a name variable. In the name variable, we have 19 values. So I want to get all the 19 values into a macro variable. So we can create a macro variable to have all the 19 values. Can you tell me how we can create a macro variable by using proc SQL?
Calls in.
Now I'm writing proc SQL. Now I'm writing like this. Proc SQL. Select name. Into column macro variable name. I want to have it as a name, student name, I'm writing this name. From which data set now from SAS class. Then I'm writing input statement. What the macro variable that we have created?
Yes name.
Yes name. I want to check the value. So I'm writing a percentage. I'm writing ampersand yes name semicolon. First of all, I do not want to have anything in the output window. So I'm going to specify the no print option. Select the program execute. We have a macro. The program has been executed. I want to check the value. I'm writing a percentage to execute the program. Now we have a log window. Okay, so what are the values that we have by the way?
Choice.
I'm expecting 19 values, but I'm not getting the 19 values. You know why? Because I told you the fundamental difference between a base SAS variable and a macro variable is a base SAS variable, a data set variable can have multiple values, but a macro variable can have only one value.
Only a single
But by the way, what value you're getting? I want to check that one. I'm going back to the SAS library. In the SAS library, we have a data set called class. Okay, so where we have the choice.
First observation.
The first observation. So when we do the same, we did the same thing in cost input. Remember what value we got?
Last one, sir. Last
We
one.
got it. So that time, every time. The new cycle is going to override the old value. So finally we got the Philip lost value. But when we get the into column, what value we are getting now? We are getting only the first value. So it will execute the first cycle, it will stop it. But I want to have all the 19. So in macro that is not possible. One alternative is we can create 19 macro variables. How to create 19 macro variables in one step? I want to create 19 macro variables. So I'm writing yes name 1. Okay, yes name 1. Then I'm going to specify hyphen. Hyphen indicates 2. Then I'm going to specify colon symbol. So now I'm writing the last variable yes name 19. If I input the program, now it is going to create a 19 macro variables, and I want to check the values randomly. I'm writing yes name 1, and then I'm writing ampersand yes name maybe 5. I'm writing ampersand yes name 10. I'm writing, so for example, ampersand yes name 19. Okay. Now if I execute this statement, we are going to have all the 4 macro variable values in the log window. Then you have one choice, 5 farmers, 10 cattle, and 19 fill. So this is how we can create 19 macro variables in proc SQL. First macro variable, hyphen colon, the last macro variable. Understand this, everybody? It is clear? But since we cannot have one variable 19 values, what I want to do in the same topic, what I want to do, I want to create one variable. I want to have all the 19 values as one value. Okay? you want to do that one, now this is how I'm going right now. I'm writing process if. I'm writing select the name into colon. I want to have the student name, STDNM. Student name, I'm writing the STDNM. Then I'm writing a separate.
So you are in mute. There should be an into colon, sir.
Somebody get me? Okay. Clear this for everybody? So this is how we can have all the 19 values. All the 19 values as 19 names as one value. And this is how we are going to create macro variables in process. So in SAS we can create macro variables in 5 methods, 5 ways. The first one is percentage rate, the second one is percentage global, the third one is percentage local, fourth one is cross input, and the fifth one is into colon. Is it clear everybody? Is it clear? The next important thing is now I'm writing percentage rate. X is equal to, I'm writing 8. I'm writing percentage rate, I'm writing Y is equal to 9. Now I'm creating a third variable, percentage rate, Z is equal to, now I'm writing ampersand X plus ampersand Y. Can somebody tell me what is the Z value?
17.
What is the Z value?
17.
Z value is 17. But I told you in my course we have only one type of data, that is only character data. You know what is Z value?
So 8 plus 9.
The Z value is 8 plus 9, not 17, because 8 is character data, 9 is also character data, so we are going to have 8 plus 9. Understand this everybody? Now see, I want to check that one. First of all, I'm making percentage that X is equal to 8, percentage that Y is equal to 9, then I'm executing this program. I want to check that Z value. Now I'm writing percentage put, then I'm writing, ampersand Z. Now select this program, equal this program. Now this is program. I'm going to go to log window. Can you see what the Z value we are getting? 8 plus 9. But because this is the reason why, because in the macros we have only one type of data, that is character data. So 8 is a character value, 9 is a character value, plus is a character value, we are going to get just 8 plus 9. But I want to resolve that as 8 plus 9 is 17. I want to resolve it as numerical data. Now if you want to resolve it as a numerical data, you know what we should do? Now we should enclose whichever variables contains numerical data. If you want to resolve the arithmetic operation, keep that within the parenthesis. Now before starting enclose that one in the parenthesis, then you should write a macro function called percentage eval. What is percentage eval function we do? Percentage eval function we resolve the numerical data as a numerical data. Now if I input the program, now these 8 and 9 is going to get resolved as a numerical data. Now if I input this program in the log window, okay, so what the answer we have now? 70. That means the data has been resolved as a numerical data. Understand this everybody? So if you want to resolve numerical data in macros, what is the function we are going right now? Percentage.
So what if we use one numeric and one character, sir?
One character, for numerical you are going to get, say for example 9, 8 plus say for example 0 or something, you are going to get 8 50 only.
I mean, use evaluation, it didn't throw any error, sir.
You didn't throw an error, because that's a character they are using, the numerical function calculator. Here, now we are going to get 50. Now, this time, what I am doing now, X is equal to, I am writing 8.9, and then I am writing Y is equal to 7.6. Now, what the value can expect now? What is the total now? What is the Z value now? 8 plus 9 plus 7, 8.9 plus 7.6?
16.5.
2.5.
15.5. Now, I am selecting the program, equal the program. Now, this is the Z value I am getting. It is throwing an error. Can you see what is that? The character operand was found in the in the percentage eval function or percentage if condition where a numeric operand is required. The condition was 8.9 plus 7.6. That means what is going to happen here? When we have a decimal symbol, percentage eval couldn't able to find it, cannot understand what is this period symbol. No. So that means percentage eval works only when we have integer what we should do when we have a decimal value. When you have a decimal value, so you should write a new function called percentage sys eval f. What the function should use? Percentage sys eval f. Now I'm selecting the program, executing the program now. Okay, so what is the z value we are getting now? The z value we are getting is 16.5. So that means we use percentage eval only when we have integer values, but when we have decimal values, what we should use? We should use the percentage sys eval f. That is a macro function which is very, very important. So how to resolve numerical data in macros? By using percentage eval and the percentage sys eval f. Percentage sys eval is only for integer values, but percentage sys eval f is when we have decimal values. Understand this one? Now, when you are using a percentage sys eval f, now we can add the second argument. The second argument I am getting a ceil function. You know what the ceil function will do? Ceil function is going to seal the value.
Yes.
Actually, we have a 16.5. Now we are going to get 17.
17.
So it is going to give the next highest integer value, 17. And instead of ceil function, we can also write the floor function. The floor function is going to give the value 60. So it is going to get the next lowest integer value. We are going to have 60. And we can also use one more function that is called int function. Now int function is going to give integer value. We can use only ceil, floor or int. We cannot use any other functions. Clear this one, everybody?
The seal in and
Ceil, floor and int integer function. Only those three functions.
Sir, int will give only before decimal, sir. It won't check for after decimal points.
Which one?
I mean, if you use int for 7.6, it only returns 7, sir. It will like
Only integer value. Only integer value. Clear, everybody?
yes, sir.
Okay, finish. Now, I'm creating a macro variable now. Percentage, let I'm writing 6 is equal to, capital F. If I put this one line, we are going to have macro variable 6 and the value is F. Now I want to have only the male students. And sometimes I may have a male student, sometimes I want to have a different. So what is the basis for the given generally? We are going to get data set in class 1, set, I'm creating from this asset class, then I'm getting if sex is equal to capital F. If sex is equal to capital F, and program equal to 7.5, so this program can be what of them we are going to have in the class 1 data set? Only. Now sometimes I want to have male students. Sometimes I want to have only age level students, maybe age 12 or age less than 13, age greater than 14. So that means every time I'm going to write a condition. The condition can be anything. Okay, now tell me, if you want to create a macro for subsetting like this one, do you know how many parameters you require? How many parameters you require? 3 parameters, sir. Data, new data set name, set existing data set name, the third one is the condition. So if you want to develop a macro for this one, subsetting the data, 3 parameters. Okay, now see what I'm going to write now. I'm writing percentage macro here. Then macro name, the macro name is subset. I require 3 parameters. The first one is new data set name ABS, the second one is old data set name ODS, and third one is the condition. 3 parameters are given. Okay, and then after we have a base as code, and after that one I'm writing percentage amend, and then I'm writing one more
I
time.
mentioned full stop, sir.
But tell me, is the class one what will it? What will it? In the situation, class of class what will it? If for sex is equal to what I should write now? Condition. If I select the program, equal to program, we are going to have macro for subset.
in the parameters ODS, sir.
ODS format.
Selecting the program, equal to the program, now we are going to have a macro called subset. Now by the way, I want to use subset macro. I want to create a data set called class 2. There I want to have only male students. Can you tell me how to create a class 2 data set with male students by using this macro? Percentage, subset, open the parentheses. So I should give the value for the first parameter. What is the new data set name I want to know?
Class 2.
Comma, from where I'm creating ODS, this one set statement, what does that mean? Yes, class. If ampersand the condition, sex is equal to.
Successful name.
Okay, first of all, I'm executing this macro. A macro will be created. Now I'm executing this program. I'm expecting the class 2, but unfortunately I'm not getting the class 2. I'll check why we're not getting in the log window. So this is what we know. Can you see what is the problem that we have? What is the error that we have? Can you see that one?
Parameter sex was not defined with the macro.
So the keyword parameter sex was not defined with the macro. So here we have a separate what we call a special character is equal to. SAS cannot understand what it is equal to symbol. People remember, when writing a condition like this one, we have to mask the is equal to symbol. Otherwise SAS cannot understand how to mask the special character is equal to symbol. If you want to mask an is equal to symbol, you know what we should do? We have to keep this condition within the parenthesis. Include that within the parenthesis. Now we should use a macro function called percentage str. The percentage STR. What is percentage STR will do? The percentage STR is going to mask the is equal to symbol. Now say after masking that one, again I make it in the program. Now we have a class to data set. So can you say what data that we have now? We have only mean students. So when you're writing a condition, in that if you have any special character like this one, so we have to mask it. Otherwise it will not get resolved. We have to know why it is not getting resolved in tomorrow's class. So if you have to mask that is equal to symbol, that special character, to mask the special character, you know what we are going to use? We are using an option, a macro function called percentage STR. Now by the way, I want to have all the students with age 13 or above 13. What should I do? 13 or above 13. Percentage, subset, open the parenthesis. I want to create a class 3 and I say, comma, I'm creating it from the sans construct class, comma, then my condition is greater than or
equal to 13.
Again, we have a special character called greater than or equal to. We cannot understand what I should write now.
Yes.
We should include that one with the percentage STR. Now we should keep everything within the quotations. Now select this program, execute this program. Now we are going to have a class 3 data set. Okay, let's see what we have. We have students information with 13 and above 13. Clear this one, everybody? Now I want to have only female students with age 12. Female students with age 12. Can you tell me what is the condition you should write now? I want to have a class 4 data set now. Percentage subset. Open the parenthesis. Class 4, comma. I'm creating from the class center class, comma. What is the condition you should write now?
Sex is equal to female and age is equal to 12.
It is equal to 12.
12.
So what do you want me to do?
Percentage STR. Percentage STR.
Percentage STR. So keep that within the quotations. Okay? Now I'm saying the program is in the program. Do you know how many observations you should get? With that condition? How many observations you will get as per that
Female
condition?
with age 12.
Only 2 observations. Now say, I'm saying the program executing. We have a class 4. We have 2 observations. Understand this one, everybody? So in today's class, we have seen 3 functions. One is the percentage eval, the second one is the percentage syseval, and third one is we have seen percentage STR. I'm closing the session and I will reopen the session again. Now, whenever you are developing a macro, say for example, I want to develop a macro for importing the data. Do you know how to write the program for importing the data? First of all, tell me the basic code. Proc, import.
Import.
Data file is equal to the part. Then what you will write after that one? Out is equal to that. Then you will write the DBMS
DBMS is equal to
then we are going to make this option semicolon.
run semicolon.
Tell me, if you want to develop a macro to import Excel sheets, CSV files, or text files, how many parameters you should require?
3.
So then you want to develop the macro. Percentage.
Percentage macro name.
Macro name. I want to get the macro name import. Now we can the parameters. And by the end of the program, what we should write now? Percentage and one more time.
Percentage import.
Now, I'm writing 3 parameters now. I want to have first data file D5, comma. The second parameter I want to have a data set in DS, and the third parameter I want to have a DB. So what we should do now? Data file is equal to what I should write now? Ampersand D5. Out is equal to ampersand DS. DBMS is equal to what we should write? Ampersand DB. This is how we develop the macro to import an Excel sheet or CSV file or a text file. And now by the way, what are these are called?
Parameters.
Parameters. What is a parameter? A parameter is nothing but a local macro variable whose values we specify when you are invoking the macro. A parameter is nothing but a local macro variable whose values that we specify when you are invoking the macro. And when writing a parameter, so you can write n number of parameters within the parentheses. But when writing a more than one parameter, the 2 parameters should be separated by comma. Understand this one? So the 2 parameters should be separated with a comma. And how we are going to present the parameters? So we are going to present the parameters in 2 different ways. Every day, whatever the method that we are following, this method is called as positional parameters. A parameter is nothing but a local macro variable whose values, a local macro variable whose values we specify during the invoking of the macro. So parameters are 2 types, positional parameters, and the second one is called as keyword parameters. First of all, positional parameters. Whatever the parameters style that we are writing every day, and this is called positional parameters. You know what is a positional parameters? When you are writing a parameter, so we are going to specify 1 or more parameters separated by comma. And this is called positional parameters. But when you are writing a positional parameters, you know what we should do? When you are invoking the macro, say for example, I want to use this macro to import an Excel sheet. Now how I should write now? I am going to specify percentage import, open the parenthesis, so tell me in your program, what is the first parameter that we have? D5. You should give value for D5 only. So So whatever the order that we have given here, in the same order, we should write the values. So since we have a D5 first, we should give the value for D5. D5 we use it for the data file. So that means what I should do, I should give the path. I'm copying the path. Now I'm going to paste it from here. Then comma. What is the second parameter that we have given? I use the DS for what purpose? How did you get data set? So what is it? We should give the value for DS. So I want to have it as an A here. Comma. And what is the third parameter that we have used? What purpose use is that one? DBMS, a database management system. What is the database management system you should write now? Excellent. The balance is so this is called positional parameters. Positional parameters means whatever the order that we have given, when you're using the macros, when you're creating the macros, when you're invoking the macros also, we should give in the same order. And if you do that one, and that is called as the name positional parameters. Understand this one, everybody? Now, I want to create a macro for data exporting, proc export. How can the proc export by the way? Proc export, data is equal to data set name, HMR outfile is equal to data, outfile is equal to path, and then what you will write down? DBMS, then replace, and then semicolon and run. Now, for proc export also, sometimes I want to export as an Excel sheet, or maybe CSV file, or maybe text file. How many parameters you should require? Three parameters. Okay, now I am writing percentage macro, then I am writing the macro as an export, and then I am writing three parameters. So parameter 1, comma parameter 2, comma parameter 3. By the way, you get any names, but all you need to follow SAS naming rules. And then I'm writing here percentage amount. Then again I'm writing one more time export. Okay, now what we should do now? We should apply the parameters. Okay, now I'm writing here data ampersand P2. Outfile is equal to, I'm writing ampersand P1. I'm writing DBMS is equal to, I'm writing ampersand P3. Now if I select the program, input the program, tell me what is going to happen now? It is going to create a macro called export. Okay. Now, I want to export SAS help.shows data set onto my desktop as a CSV file. Can you tell me what is the program? What is the macro? How I can use the macro now? SAS help.shows onto my desktop as a CSV file. Japan engineer percentage export by the parameters. What we should write first?
SAS help.cache.
So what are the parameters that we have? P1.
SAS help.shows.
So we should give the value for P1. And I use the P1 for what purpose?
Outfile.
Outfile. You should write the path of the path. Yes, I really want to do that one. I want to export onto my desktop. I'm going onto my desktop. I'm going to specify, for example, if I got the shift right click, I'm going to specify copy as further. I'll go there and I'm going to give the first part. Because the first parameter is P1 and I use it for P1 what purpose?
Outfile.
Now I want to have an outfile. Now I'm letting on my desktop. I want to have it as a shows.csv.
Sir, can we give like P1 is equal to path of the file?
We'll see that one later. Now what is the second parameter that we have? P2. I use P2 for what purpose? Data set name. I'm letting SAS and data shows. The call parameter is P3 and I use for what purpose that one? Database. So now what is the database I should write now? CSV. Now.
CSV.
So we give this one line. Now onto my desktop, now what I'm going to have? I'm going to have choose CSV file. So that means you can write the parameters in any order. But when you use invoking the macro, you should give the values in the same order of the parameters. But if you P3 is equal if I P3 is equal like I keep P1 here, tell me what is going to happen now, what I should give first. By what purpose I use P3? I should give the CSV first.
Database management system, CSV.
I should give the CSV first. Comma. Then what is the second parameter P2? For what purpose I use the P2?
Data set name. Data set name.
So I'm getting some example, SAS help.py. Now, that is third parameter P1. For what purpose I use the P1 now? Outfile is equal to, yes, I want to have onto my desktop. Now I'm letting say, for example, file.csv. Now already I have given the parameter, these parameters once first. Now I'm going to run. Now if I do the program, first of all I'm executing this macro, a macro will get created and over. Now I'm executing this program. Okay, you see, on my desktop, I have my CSV file. So that means what you understand, in whichever order that we have given parameters, in the same order, we should give the values. And this is called positional parameters. Whatever the position that we have given, in the same order, we should give the values. Clear, everybody? And the second type of parameter that we have is keyword parameters. What is this keyword parameters? So for example, what I want to do, I want to sort the data. And I want to create a macro for sorting. Do you know how to create a macro for sorting anybody?
How set?
Tell me, I'm writing what is the program for crop sorting?
Percentage macro sort.
Data is equal to data set name. Out is equal to new data set name.
Out is equal to
by variable.
by variable and run semicolon.
Tell me how many parameters should require?
Data out by
data set name. Out to new data set name by. Now I'm writing
by variable.
This one. I'm writing percentage macro.
Percentage macro
Yeah,
sort.
I want to have macro for sorting.
For the parameters.
Crop sort data is equal to percentage data set name. Good, yes. Now, remember, when writing a parameters here, you ensure that every time parameter is equal to symbol. Comma, what is the second parameter I want to come? I want to have a new data set name, NDS is equal to, comma. What is the third parameter? Pi variable, I'm letting pi var is equal to, now this is called positional parameters. So, when you're applying the parameters, how we are going to do? Every time we are going to the parameter is equal to. Now, in the program, I want to apply the parameters prop sort data is equal to ampersand for yes. While applying the you don't need to is equal to simply parameter name. Out is equal to, I'm letting ampersand NDS, new data set name, and by ampersand pi var. And then after the run statement, I'm letting percentage amend, I'm letting sort one more time, keep a semicolon, execute this program. Now what is going to happen is a macro called sort will be created. So I want to use this one.
Percentage sort.
So say for example, I want to sort SAS subtract class and I want to create a class 1 data set. I want to do it by 6. So tell me how to use this one. Now percentage sort. Now open the parenthesis. Remember, when you're writing a keyword parameter like this one, when applying the value, you know what we should do? Every time you should write parameter is equal to value. And the variable ODS is equal to what is the value that I want to give? I want to give it SAS help class. Comma. What is the second parameter that we have? NDS is equal to. I want to get new data set called class 1, comma, and the third parameter pi var is equal to 6 because I want to use the 6. So semicolon, select this one line, execute this one line. Now we are going to have a class 1 data set and the data has been sorted by 6. And by the way, and this is called keyword parameters. What we are doing in keyword parameters? In keyword parameters, that we are going to leave one or more macro parameters followed by equal sign. And while invoking the macros, every time we should write a parameter is equal to value. You know what the advantage of this one? Now see, this time I want to sort SAS subtract class by is, and I want to create a class 2. Now how we can do that one? So this time I'm writing again percentage sort. Now I'm writing pi var is equal to is, comma. I'm writing ODS is equal to SAS subtract class, comma. NDS is equal to I want to have a class 2. Now execute this program. Now if I execute the program, can you say I'm going to have a class 2 data set and I have the data. So now tell me the data has been sorted by is. What did you understand from this one?
You can change the order.
When applying the values, we can write in any order. We can write in any order. Clear everybody? Now, every time I want to use only SAS subtract class to get the new data set. Every time I want to use SAS subtract class. And if you want to use every time SAS subtract class, now we can give it a default value. ODS is equal to, now see what I'm going to write? I'm going to write SAS subtract class. So that means we can give the default values. Now, I'm giving the default value now. What is the default value I'm given for ODS? Now, I want to sort SAS subtract class. I want to create a new data set called DS1. I want to sort it by name. Name to sort చేసి the DS1 put the data create our. Now how we can do that one? First of all, I'm executing this macro. Now I'm getting percentage. What is the macro that we have? Sort with the parentheses. So now NDS is equal to DS1, comma, pi var is equal to I want to sort it by name. Now see, if I select this one and execute this one line, can you say what we have now? We have a DS1 data set. Can you say how the data has been sorted? By name. So we can give the default value. But now, can we use this macro to sort SAS subtract class?
No.
Yes, we can use. If you want to give other than the default value, you know what we should do? Now we should write that one also. I'm writing percentage sort, open the parentheses, ODS is equal to, if I specify SAS subtract cost, you know what is going to happen now? Now this value is going to override the default value. Now, comma, I'm writing, say for example, pi var is equal to, I want to do it by invoice, comma, then I'm writing NDS is equal to, I want to have a cost one. And then by default value చేశారనుకోండి, make a default value కాకుండా వేరే value కావాలనుకోండి, you can give, now the new value is going to override the whole value. Of course, I'm going to get the cost one, and the data has been sorted by invoice. So, which is better, position parameter or keyword parameter?
Keyword parameter.
Keyword, because by using keyword parameter, we can have more flexible code. Because we can give the default values one advantage, and the second one is we can write in
Any order.
Understand this, everybody? It is clear, everyone? So these are both the parameters. We'll see the remaining things in tomorrow's class. Okay? See you in tomorrow's class.
Sir, thank you, sir.
नहीं कर लाते मैडम नहीं बोला ना नहीं कर ले मैडम वो मेंटेनेंस ज्यादा होता है मैडम फोटो नहीं है मैडम, मैं भिजा देता हूँ फोटो अगर
क्या करूँ बोलो?
मैं भिजा देता हूँ।
हाँ जी बोलो तो क्या करूँ? पता भी नहीं क्या करूँ, पूरी 500-600 पैसा भी पूरा वही छा नहीं ना जैसे नहीं है।
ये अच्छी ले लो गलीज हो गई वो।
हेलो
नहीं दूसरों की तरफ से खराब हो जाती है।
क्या करते?
अच्छा वही ला जाओ,
उसको भी धो लिया वो तो नहीं धो।
वो दाल के भी दो तो मैं रिटर्न चेंज करा दूँ।
वहाँ है ना वाइट
थोड़ा आर्ट वाला बता रहा हूँ, जैसे दाल के भिजा दिया सोना क्या मैं वो दाल के भिजा दूँ, मैं रिटर्न स्कूटी पे लाके दे देता आपको। हाँ वो भी ला लेते हो, स्कूटी पे लाके दे देता। हाँ वो ऑटो में इधर डाल दो, शाम तक आया था सर, शाम तक तो कल सुबह में भिजा था। नहीं सर थोड़ा वो ऑटो वाले बता रहे थे थोड़ा उसके बहुत मुश्किल हो गई, आप फोना कर उसमें गड़बड़ में दाल के भिजा दीजिए। मैं भिजा तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, स्कूटी पे लाके दे देता। मुस्तफा को कुछ ना डालो, सोफा और डाइनिंग टेबल दे दो। हाँ हाँ पूरी कुछ ना डालो। हेलो वो हफ्ते की ले लेंगे। हेलो नमस्ते, सैटरडे लेट तो क्या ले ले, सैटरडे इसको सैटरडे just a Saturday గుడ్ డే నేను అయితే సాయంత్రం అయితే నాకు వచ్చేది కొద్ది అమౌంట్, నాకు అమౌంట్ వచ్చేస్తుంది, నేను వేసేస్తాను అయితే కాదు వేసేస్తాను వేస్తే వేసేస్తాను నేను వేసేస్తాను సార్ సాయంత్రం వేసేస్తాను. ఇప్పుడు లేవా లేదా వేస్తాను, నాకు ఫోన్ వాట్సాప్ కాల్ చేసి నేను వేసేస్తాను. है